Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to access shopify.com, and from here we need to access the Shopify app store. In this case, at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and click on settings, and from here go to the section that says app and sales channel. Click on Shopify app store. Now from here what we need to do is we need to install an app that actually support WhatsApp, because the WhatsApp functionality is not really available, so by default you don't have that, so we need to install an app. So in this case, go to search apps, guides and more, and from here just type in WhatsApp, press enter. You should be able to see different applications or apps that you can install. First, for you to start using the WhatsApp button, we will be using this WhatsApp button by Ease. In this case, click on it. From here, just click on install button. Now from here, just confirm the installation. So let's go ahead and just click on the install button. You will be seeing on your screen. Once you have done that, you should now have the WhatsApp button app in your store. Now you might need to change a few settings here. So in this case, just need to follow the steps. You should be able to see the onboarding section here. You have to check out these updates and in WhatsApp button updates. So in this case, we also want to go to the settings section. Now in the settings section, what we need to do is we need to basically get us started. In this case, go ahead, enter your mobile number here, then click on save and enable. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically do the following. We also have to enable the app for WhatsApp. So let's go enable that. From here, click on save at the top right here to save the changes. Once you have done that, we can go and click on the exit at the top left of your screen. And from here, once you go back into the settings, go to the apps and sales channels and go to the WhatsApp button here. Click on open app. And from here again, you might need to go to settings here. And from here, it is suggested that you basically edit it. For example, pre-fill image, pre-fill messages, that type here. If you want to change what it's going to look like, the button text, if you want to change that, even the logo circle button here, if you want to enable that, going to be few customization you can do here, and you can do that. Now you can actually visit your store and you will see the WhatsApp button there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.